Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you the process of making story 5 and story 6 in my December daily. So what I've done is I've prepped this little balloon felt embellishment that's got my numbers, so it's got my 5 and my 6, and I also chose the cards that's wanting to go with it. So I'm going to be making this pocket here into a shaker. The story that I'm documenting is just kind of like a COVID vaccination kind of story, just because it's such a kind of pivotal thing what's going on at the moment. I've made this sequins mix and I'm going to pour this into the pocket. I want to hold this as still as possible and then pour. So, ooh, I over poured there. I'll just fix this up. This sequins mist is just using sequins that I got from different stores. Now, as you can see, it kind of all poured on the back side, so I can't really see. I want to kind of divide it in half so that I can then push it in. I know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to make the pocket kind of a nice shaker amount. I'm going to stitch the top. I do have a fuse tool. I just hate it so much, and I find that stitching is a lot more consistent, so I'm just going to stitch. Stitching also just adds a nice, I find, textural element. Now I did stitch these together, so I'm going to cut them apart. So give me a moment. So my workaround is going to be that I've taken the two of them apart. I've taken the two of them apart and I'm going to put one on this side and then one I'll just line it up on the other side so that they're still kind of together but separate, and then you can still see the cool sequins mix. So I'm just waiting for my hot glue gun to heat up, and while they're doing that I'm going to do my journaling. So like I said, I'm just going to do a quick little journal about kind of what's going on at the moment with like COVID and wow, my pens are just flying everywhere with like COVID and all of those things. I do first want to join the two cards together. So like I had in all my other videos, I don't really like to see the kind of extra bit of the card, so I do like to stick them together just like this. I just take a little bit of double-sided tape and I stick them together. I cut off the excess. And then I just use my corner rounder to round the corners. If there were two square ones, you wouldn't have to do that, but because I have one that's got a rounded corner, I'm just using that. Okay. So I'm going to quickly do my journaling and then come back. I have these tiny word stickers. I think they're from the Reject store. 2 years ago they're called the Most Wonderful Time sticker embellishment pack. So I'm going to put this Peace, Love, Joy sticker, and then I also want to pull in some more of the green up there, so I want to look for a green sticker. And then I'm also going to do this Together for Christmas one. There we go, and then pop that in. And then my glue gun is heated up, so I'm going to stick on this felt piece. I don't need a lot of glue. Stick that on. Try and get it kind of as central as possible. And then that is going to be day 5 done. Really simple. Like I said in the previous videos, I'm all about just trying to get this done. I'm going to flip it over and do day 6 straight away. So I'm going to glue on this second heart. So yeah, like I said, I'm all about getting this project done, not wasting time with worrying about it, like being the most beautiful thing ever. So here we go, we've got our day 5 all done. So day 6 is just going to be a cute little story about some Christmas cards. So I'm going to do the journaling on this card and then a filler card here. So I'm going to start my journaling about all the Christmas cards I received from my students. Okay, so there's the journaling done. I just kind of wrote about how I love teaching lower years because the Christmas spirit is so alive, and also, you know, all the beautiful cards I received. So what I'm going to do here is I want to do kind of like just a filler card, so like a nice decoration. So I'm going to grab a piece of chipboard. The problem that I find with this is there's no sort of like centralized piece. I think it could be cool to do like just a rain of, see, the problem is that I don't want this to be too thick, and I'd love to like, I could still layer them. Okay, what I'm going to do is peel the backing off of all of these. And I'm actually going to take like a good 5 to 6 layers off the back. Number one, it's going to cut down on the excess bulk in the album, and also I want to layer these on top of each other, and it's going to make layering a whole lot easier. So this one I'm actually just pulling off the front of it, so it's kind of going to be layered like 1, 2, and then 3 at the top. Again, this second one is getting like about 5 or 6 layers off. So still a little bit of chipboard, but not too much. So I'm going to glue those down. So I want the red one in the middle. And like I said, I am using hot glue. I know it's not completely archival, but it's kind of just simple and easy. I'm going to offset this one to the side, and then I will kind of cut off the excess that hangs off the side of the card, and then this one will be fully on the card. Make sure they're straight. So I'm just going to flip it over now, cut off the excess. Okay, then I'm going to do like a little word thing. I want to do this, the Wonder of Christmas, but it might just be a bit too big. Oh no, it's just gonna fit. Okay. Wonder of Christmas, and I think I want to layer something underneath that. I'm going to just peel the edge up slightly and stick in this cheer word, because it's a like a tab and it says cheer. I've just found a couple of other little ornaments on the sticker sheet, so I'm going to layer those on too. Again, cutting off the excess where I need to. Okay, there we go. That is going to be day 6. Done. I like it. It looks very Christmassy and very cute. Give you a quick close-up. So we've got our day 5 with our cute little shaker pocket, and then some journaling and just a simple filler card. Then on the back, we've done the exact same thing with the pocket. We've just glued it on there so that you can't see anything. I've got these cute photos, and then we've done some journaling and a cute little filler card here using the Busy Sidewalks collection. So stay tuned for in the next few days you will be seeing day 7 and 8. Thanks for watching. Bye.